What is the cost of a sacrifice? You see, by definition, there must be a price. Just as darkness gives way to the light, giving something up doesn't always mean bright. How hard it is at night when temptation stands at the door. The devil's testing has meant my faith marked poor. But I'll never win the battle if I don't go to war. Sacrifice is a choice every day, a choice to follow the way, a choice to remain humble, not stumble, crumble, or go astray, a choice to tune out what we hear the world say. Just satisfy yourself, you win today, yet how many men have thrown it all away? When life doesn't have worth, when everything hurts, when you are at the center, life never works. This is what we get nowadays. People's wants work wicked on their soul nowadays. The world wants us to be nice. Watered down Jesus without all the spice. Drink some milk with your gospel to get rid of the burn. Talk about Jesus, but I won't listen or learn. Humanity unleashed a beast called pride. He causes definite destruction on the inside, causes sin we think we can hide. While our hearts are heavy, closed, not open wide. Yet when I think of Jesus, I remember his life. He stayed faithful like a husband should to his wife. He was perfect. He never did wrong or lied. He had humility. He opposed our beast pride. He felt pain, whips and nails. Then he died. Sin left a chasm, separation alone. The cross bridged the gap. Now sinners return home. One painful act and we were set free. Our bonds were cut, new life for you and me. Freedom, forgiveness, free passage, grace given, new life. All because God loved us. He takes all your pain and strife. So now, this choice is yours. Freedom is found, bonds cut unbound. God's grace abounds. Eternal life will return to the ground. Jesus or the world, that's for you to decide. God made a way, humility beat pride. The path to follow, narrow but rectified. This is the salvation only Jesus can provide.